Today again we will start to solution of R.S. Agrawal class 6 chapter simplification exercise. First question number 7 we will start. It has given 4 by 5 divided by 3 by 5 of 5 plus 4 by 5 multiply 3 by 10 minus 1 upon 5. So firstly we have to solve of, but firstly we have to change all the mixed fraction into improper fraction. It has given mixed fraction 4 by 5, it became change 24 upon 5. So here 3 by 5 multiplied with 5, so 5 divided 5, and here 4 by 5 multiply 3 by 10 minus 1 by 5. So it remain, as you know that in fraction whenever the division is given, then right side, the number which is present right side of the division sign, that will be reciprocal. So right side number is 3, so its reciprocal will be 1 by 3. So 24 upon 5 multiply 1 upon 3, so 3 divided 24 it became 8, 3 divided 24 it became 8, so 8 upon 5 is coming, and here 4 upon 5 multiplying with 3 upon 10. Both numbers 4 and 10, both numbers are divisible by 2. So 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. So it remain here 6 upon 25, because 3 2s are 6 and 5 5s are 25. So remain here 8 by 5 plus 6 by 25 minus 1 upon 5. So after taking the common denominator 25, 5 divided 25, 5 times, now 5 is multiplied with 8. Now 25 divided 25 1 time, so 6 multiplied with 1, and 5 divided 25 1 times, so it became 1 multiply 5. So it became 5 8 ja 40, 40 plus 6 minus 5 upon 25. So it became 41 upon 25, because 40 plus 6 is equal to 46, and subtracted 5 it became 41 upon 25. Next question is given here. 2 by 3 plus 4 by 9 of 3 by 5 divided by 1 by 1 2 by 3 multiply 1 by 4 minus 1 by 3. Firstly we will change into the improper fraction, mixed fraction into improper fraction. So 1 2 by 3 change 5 by 3, 1 by 4 become change 5 by 4, and then we will add 2 by 3 and 4 by 9. So 3 and 4, 3 and 9, common denominator became 9. So 3 3 ja 9, 3 2 ja 6, 9 1 ja 9, 1 4 ja 4. Of 3 by 5 divided by 5 by 3 multiply 5 by 4 minus 1 by 3. And here 6 plus 4 is coming, it became 10 upon 9. 10 upon 9 of 3 by 5. So 3 by 5, here change the multiply sign, and 3 divided 9 3 times, and 5 divided 10 2 times. So it remain only 2 by 3. 2 by 3 divided by 5 by 3 multiply 5 by 4 minus 1 by 3. So as you know that in fraction, the right side, the number which is present right side of the division sign, that will be reciprocal. So 5 by 3 become change into 3 by 5. So here 5 divided by 5, 3 divided by 3, 2 divided 4 2 times, 2 2s are 4. So it remained 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. So it became, after taking the common fraction, common denominator, it became 6, 2 3 ja 6, 3 1 ja 3, and 3 2 ja 6, 1 2 ja 2. So it means 3 minus 2 upon 6, it became 1 upon 6. Next question it has given 7 1 by 3 divided 2 by 3 of 2 1 by 5 plus 1 3 by 8 divided 2 3 by 4 minus 1 1 upon 2. So 7 1 upon 3 means 7 3 are 21 plus 1 22 upon 3. Here 2 1 upon 5, 5 2 are 10 1 11 upon 5, 8 1 are 8 3 11 upon 8, 4 2s are 8, 3, 11 upon 4, and 2 1s are 2, 1, 3 upon 2. Now, firstly, we will multiply it because off sign became changed into multiplication, and 11 multiplied with 2 became 22, 3 multiplied with 5 became 15. So as you know that in fraction, the right side, the number which is present right side of the division sign, that will completely reciprocal. So it became reciprocal, 22 by 15 became reciprocal 15 by 22. So here 3 5s are 3 divided 15 5 times, and 22 divided 22 1 time. So it remains 5 upon 1. Now we have three numbers, 5 upon 1 plus 1 upon 2 minus 3 upon 2. Now for addition, as you know that according to rule of BODMAS, firstly we have to do addition. So I have taken a common denominator 2 here. So 1 2s are 2, and 2 multiplied with 5 it became 10, and here it became 10, and after it is 2 1s are 2 1. So 10 minus 3 by 2 after it. So 10 plus 1 upon 2 minus 3 upon 2. It became 11 upon 2 minus 3 upon 2. Both denominator are same, so directly they can subtract. 11 minus 3 upon 2 is equal to 8 upon 2. So 2 divides 8 4 times. So our answer is coming 4. Next question is given here. 5 1 by 7 minus, in a medium bracket, 3 3 by 10 divided in a small bracket 2 4 by 5 minus 7 by 10, a small bracket close, medium bracket close. So firstly we will change mixed fraction into improper fraction. 7 5s are 35 1 36 upon 7, and here 3 3 by 10 means 3 10 3s are 30 33 upon 10. 5 2s are 10 plus 4 14 upon 5. Now firstly we have to solve the small bracket. We will do a fractional addition and subtraction among 14 upon 5 and 7 upon 10. Taken a common denominator of 5 and 10, it became 10. So 5 2s are 10, 14 2s are 28, 10 1s are 10, 7 1s are 7. So it became 28 minus 7 upon 10. Rest of the numbers will remain same until the small bracket will not open. So a small bracket opened and it became 36 upon 7 minus, in medium bracket, 33 upon 10 divided by 21 upon 10. So as you know that during the division of the fraction, the right side number of the division sign will be reciprocal. So 21 upon 10 became reciprocal and became 10 upon 21. So as you know that 10 divided 10 1 times, and 21 and 33 both are divisible by 3. 3 7s are 21 and 3 11s are 33. So only it remained 11 upon 7. The medium bracket became open and this became 36 upon 7 minus 11 upon 7. So here both denominators are same, so directly they can subtract, and 36 minus 11 upon 7. It became 25 upon 7. So we will divide 7, completely divided it 3 times. 7 3s are 21. Remainder remains 4. So 7 4 upon 3 4 upon 7 is the answer of this question. Next question, it has given 9 3 by 4 divided 2 1 by 6. Now question I am repeating again. 9 3 by 4 divides in large bracket 2 1 by 6 plus in medium bracket 4 1 by 3 minus in a small bracket 1 1 by 2 plus 1 3 by 4, small bracket of, medium bracket of, and large bracket of. Now firstly we have to change all the numbers, all the mixed fractions into improper fraction. 9 3 by 4, 4 9s are 36 3 39 upon 4, 6 2s are 12 6 2s are 12, 1 13 upon 6. And here 4 3s are 12, 1 13 upon 3. 2 1s are 2, 1 3 upon 2. And here 4 1s are 4, 3 7 upon 4. Next, firstly we will solve a small bracket. We will do fractional addition of 3 upon 2 and 7 upon 4. So we have to take a common denominator of 2 and 4. It became 4. Now 2 2s are 4. So 3 multiplied with 2. And 4 1s are 4. So 7 multiplied with 1. Now it became 6 and 7. 6 plus 7 is equal to 13 upon 4. And the small bracket opened. Now it became 39 upon 4 divided by, in a large bracket, 13 upon 6 plus in a medium bracket 13 upon 3 minus 13 upon 4. Both numbers can fractionally subtract, so we will take a common denominator. So we have taken a common denominator of 3 and 4. It became 12. So 3 4s are 12. 4 multiplied with 13 and 4 3s are 12. 13 multiplied with 3. 13 multiplied with 3 here, not 1. 3 here. So it became 39 upon 4 plus 39 upon 4 divided in large bracket 13 upon 6 plus in medium bracket 52 minus 39 upon 12, medium bracket close, large bracket close. Here 39 upon 4 divided in large bracket 13 upon 6 plus 13 upon 12. Next, we will fractionally add 13 upon 6 and 13 upon 12. So it has given 39 upon 4 divided in large bracket 12 will be the common denominator. 6 2s are 12 and 13 2s are 26. And here 12 1s are 12, so 13 will remain 13. So it became 39 upon 4 divided in large bracket 26 plus 13 upon 12. Bracket close. 39 upon 4 divided 39 upon 12. So as you know that whenever fractional division is given, so the numbers which present just right side of the division sign, that will be reciprocal. So 39 upon 12 will be reciprocal and it became 12 upon 39. And the division sign became changed into multiplication. So 39 divided 39. Directly it has divided one time and 4 3s are 12. So our answer is coming 3. Next question it has given. Question number 12. 4 1 by 10 minus in large bracket 2 1 by 5 minus in curly bracket either medium bracket 5 upon 6 minus 2 upon 5 plus 3 upon 10 minus 4 upon 15. जैसा कि हम जानते हैं कि फर्स्टली हमको स्मॉल ब्रैकेट ही सॉल्व करना होगा, तो हम पहले स्मॉल ब्रैकेट के ही बारे में और बाकी जो भी नंबर्स होंगे जो लार्ज ब्रैकेट मीडियम ब्रैकेट्स के बाहर हैं या फिर स्मॉल ब्रैकेट के भी जो बाहर है वो सेम रिमेन कॉपी करते जाएंगे। जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं, मैं अंडरलाइन कर दे रहा हूँ, हर जगह कॉपी है जब तक कि वो स्मॉल ब्रैकेट सॉल्व नहीं होगा। तो स्मॉल ब्रैकेट की ओर देखते हैं। फर्स्टली वी हैव टू डू एडिशन, देन we have taken a common denominator 5 and 10 of 5 and 10. It became 10. So it became 5 2s are 10. So 2 2s are 4. 10 1s are 10. So 3 1s are 3. It became 7 upon 10. As 4 plus 3 means 7 upon 10 minus 4 upon 15. Now we will take common denominator of 10 and 15. Now you have taken a common denominator 10 and 15, it became 30. So 10 3s are 30, 7 3s are 21, and here 15 2s are 30, 4 2s are 8. It became 21 minus 8. Here you can see 21 minus 8 upon 30. After subtraction we have got 13 upon 30 and bracket became opened. So it became 6 and 30. 6 and 30 are given here. So firstly we will take common denominator. It became 30. So 6 5s are 30. 5 multiplied with 5. It became 25. 30 1s are 30. So 13 1s are 13. So it became 25 minus 13 upon 30. So whenever this becomes solved, it became now 5 upon 2 minus 12 upon 30, because 25 subtracted 13, it became 12. Now next, 5 upon 12 minus 12 upon 30. So we have taken common denominator 30. So 2 15 ja 30, 15 5 ja 75, and 13 1s are 30, 12 multiplied with 1. So it became 41 upon 10 minus 75 minus 12 upon 30. So it became 41 upon 10 minus 63 upon 30. Now 10 and 30, common denominator of 10 and 30 became 30. So 10 3 ja 30, 41 3 ja 123, 30 1 ja 30, 63 1 ja 63, 123 minus 63 upon 30. So it became 60 upon 30, and 30 divided 60 2 times. So our answer is coming 2. Next question, next and last question of this exercise, and rest of the questions you will solve by own self, by own concern. 4 by 5 divided 2 1 by 5 minus 1 by 2 in small bracket 1 by 4 minus 1 upon 4 minus 1 upon 5 will be in bar bracket, and then a small bracket will close, and then medium bracket will close. So firstly we have to solve inside of the bar bracket. This is bar bracket, upper side it has given, this is bar bracket. So 20 is taken as a common denominator of 5 and 4, 20 taken as a common denominator. So 4 5s are 20, 5 1s are 5, 5 4s are 20, 4 1s are 4. So 5 minus 4 upon 20. Then see here, 24 upon 5 divided 11 upon 5 minus 1 upon 2, 5 upon 4 minus, now 5 minus 4 is equal to 1 upon 20. Now 1 upon 20 is coming. Now taken 4 and common denominator of 4 and 20, it became 20. So 4 5s are 20, 5 5s are 25, and 20 divided 20 1 times. So 21s are 20. Clear? Here it will be 1 multiplied with 1. Here will be 1 multiplied with 1. See here. Next, how it became solved. 5 5s are 25 and minus 1. 25 minus 1. Here will be not 20. It will be 1, because 20 divided 20 1 time. So it has written 1 multiplied with, means 1 multiplied with, this 1 will multiply with the quotient 1. It became 1, and after the subtraction 25 minus 1, it became 24 upon 20. So as if there is no sign given, then we will put a sign of multiplication. So I have kept a sign here, multiplication. So 2 12s are 24, 12 upon 20 is remain. Now 24 upon 5 divided by, in medium bracket, 11 upon 5 minus 12 upon 20. So 5 and 20 as taken as a common denominator. 5 and 20. So 20 became the common denominator. 5 4s are 20. So 11 4s are 44. 20 1s are 20. So 12 1s are 12. So it became 24 upon 5 divided by, in the medium bracket, 44 minus 12 upon 20. So it became changed into 24 upon 5 divided by 32 upon 20. So here, as you know that during the division of fraction, the right side of the number, right side number will change, means their reciprocal we will write, and then we will change a sign of division into multiplication. So it became change 24 upon 5 into 20 upon 32. 5 4 ja 20, and 8 3 ja 24, 8 4 ja 32, and 4 divided 4. So it remain 3. Is it clear, students? Now it will help you to understand the solutions of simplification and help you to complete your copy. So for the further next video, you can like this video and subscribe my channel.